everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, today we are making a recipe of kebab. I know, yummy, mouth-watering, right? Well, many of you are thinking that you won't be able to make the kebab, right? Because you don't have microwave. That's why we are making it on gas oven top. Yeah, right? On your gas oven top, all you need is your good old tawa. Okay, let's start today's recipe, that is chicken reshmi kebab on gas oven top.
At first, in a bowl, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Into that, I'll add a paste of charmogaj poppy seed and cashew nut, 2 tablespoons. Then add 2 teaspoons of oil. Then a paste made up of ginger, garlic, and green chilies. I'll add the paste 1.5 teaspoon. Then 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Kevra water, few drops. Then egg white, only the white part, not the yolk part. We want the reshmi kebab white in color, that's why only the white part. Then salt according to your taste. Now mix everything very well so there is no lump. See, very smooth paste. Now add the chicken. I have cut the chicken in cubes, bite-sized cubes. It's boneless chicken. Then add the vegetables, tomato, capsicum and onion, which are also cut in cubes, same size of the chicken. Now mix everything so that everything is coated in the marinade. Now freeze for overnight. The chicken was in the freeze for overnight. Now again mix everything up. I have taken wooden skewers and I'll place the chicken, capsicum, onion and tomato in the skewers. But at first add capsicum, then add chicken so that the chicken gets the hold. Then onion, tomato, like that. In that manner, step by step, I'm doing it. I'm repeating the step for 2-3 times until the skewer is filled. And make sure if you're using wooden skewer, make sure you soak the skewers for at least 2-3 hours. Why? The reason I will tell you later in the video. Now I'm done with the first skewer. Rub the marinade over it. Now I'll repeat the same thing with the other other skewers. See, all 3 skewers are done. Now in a tawa, non-stick tawa, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. and place the skewers and turn down the heat to the lowest. Don't try to remove the skewers if they are not coming easily, because it will come easily when it's done. See, we will cook all the sides for few minutes. All four sides should be cooked through. We will have to keep turning it every now and then. Now see, all four sides are done and there is a caramelized charred color over the meat. The chicken is done. It's tender. I have cooked each side for at least 7 to 10 minutes. Now there is a trick. I will take each skewer and place it over the open flame. I'm doing this to give it a smoky flavor. The smoky flavor we get in restaurant, we will get the same smoky flavor by doing the open flame charring. This is the reason I told you to soak the skewers, because if you don't soak the skewers for 2-3 hours, it will catch fire. Now it's all nicely charred and smoky. See, the kebabs are ready and looks delicious.